I'm Jenna. I was a BM3 in the Navy. I did 5 years and 2 deployments. I was motivated to do something more and uh, exceed in my life. I wanted to do something greater. I chose telecommunications because I enjoyed the material that was displayed, and I thought it was going to be a great way to uh, make a career out of it. My experience with the training of Learning Alliance so far has been absolutely incredible. The instructors are amazing. They give you a lot of information, but they know how to stop and explain it into better detail. So my skills and training in the military has kind of transferred over into telecommunications by doing rigging, and a lot of hands-on work gives me a better understanding of what's going to be like here. A lot of the things I faced when transitioning has been trying to find a job that I was interested in and wanting to grow in a job industry. So this industry gave me an opportunity where I can actually grow and learn more and not just stop at a specific point. My long-term career goals in telecommunications is to make this a career. I want to learn everything and learn more when it does get put out there. Telecommunications can help military veterans by giving them a start in making something out of nothing. They help you get through everything with financial and if you don't have anywhere to stay. Learning Alliance prepared me by emailing me and keeping in contact with me consistently, always giving me text messages on when I am supposed to be at school and when I graduate, and what materials I needed when I got to the school. Searching for a job in telecommunications for me has been easier. They help me with resumes. They also help me with a video resume interview, and it's been way easier to try to get a job. I see a bright future for telecommunications, and I feel like it's going to be all over the world, and I will adapt to it.